Good afternoon, everybody. Out here in the Summers Landing development of Spotsylvania County on Catharpin Road. Just finishing up this residential driveway. It looks beautiful. Really happy with the outcome. Get some nice edges. Transform the property. Just finishing up here, getting it rolled. We had a couple divots up here and some sinking that we were able to take care of. Really changed the property, transformed it. It looks so nice. Driveway was much older. We got it looking back in great shape. Again, you know, this is just an after shot of what it looks like. Feel free to give us a call at 1-800-ASPHALT for any of your paving needs. Hope you guys have a great week. Driveways by us.